back, folks. It is a 2013 Mercedes C300 Luxury 4MATIC. It has 63,000 miles by 2 owners only. No accidents, no paintwork, not a mark on this car inside or out. Real nice set of Michelins. She's loaded up with a hard to find package, folks. Blind spot monitoring and lane descent. That's correct. This vehicle has the really sought after package, 63,000 miles, navigation, backup cam, Harman Kardon sound, factory sunroof, dialed in, not a mark on this car inside or out. She is ready to rock. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect, starting at $995, 63,000 mile, 4MATIC C300 Luxury, DasCleveland.com.